boy MOTORCITY NIQUE, checking in with another video, man. I'm back. You know, the grind don't stop, the grind don't never change. So your boy out about to hit the junkyard again, man. It's like a new theme of me, man, as of lately. So looking for a specific part for my Caprice, my 95 Caprice 5.7. Looking for a couple additional maintenance pieces that help improve the function of my car. So I'm on the hunt looking for that. So I'm about to hit some junkyards early in the morning, man. It's 9:57 here, man, in the Midwest. I'm in Michigan, rather. So pretty decent weather. I mean, it's cold, but you know, it is what it is, man. We ain't gonna be looking at promising weather till like May, where it's like, you know, no jacket, maybe a hoodie, something like that. You know what I'm saying? I can't even say maybe a hoodie, because some people wear hoodies in the wintertime here. So but yeah, man, I'm back to the grind, about to go look for me some more parts for my whips and stuff, and you know, try to go ahead and get everything fine-tuned, because you know, when the summertime come around, man, I ain't trying to be up under the hood of none of my bills, man. I'm trying to really enjoy and, you know what I'm saying, be out here and be rolling. So main thing is, man, I'm about to get to it, early bird get the worm. So hopefully, man, I get the parts and stuff that I'm looking for, and shit, go from there. All right, y'all, your boy out here, man, 94 Caprice. Shit, ain't nothing in this bitch. This motherfucker is gone. This bitch been raped. Ain't shit in there. Ain't nothing I can really use off there. I did find one thing though. Found me a good cluster. A nice Diddy cluster. This one look good and it's intact, so I'm gonna see what I can do with it. And definitely use this motherfucker, cause shit, the one in my Caprice acting up. Shit, see, this bitch ain't got no motor in it, no nothing. So I'm gonna go check out another vehicle real quick and see what I can find off that one. See if it's some interchangeable parts I can use. All right, y'all, your boy back, man. I just had to go to another junkyard, man. Didn't see too much anything. Like I said, the motor was gone out of the Caprice that I was looking at earlier. So, of course, I got another truck. You know, I'm in my Expedition. So, I hit a lick of the day, man. So, this right here is my old radio that came in there. So, for the longest, man, I kind of been on a hunt for the navigation radio that come into my Expedition. And as y'all can see, bam! Your boy found it. Found that mug here at this park place, man. They had just got an Expedition in, man, and shit, you know, your boy had to snatch that out. So, you know, gotta get me a navigation joint. On top of that, man, I actually got me a cluster, you know, so find me a cluster for my Caprice, because my Caprice cluster has been acting up and going out. So fingers crossed, man, that mug works. But you know, I'll tune that in for another video. So if this is the first time checking your boy out, man, make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, join the MOTORCITY crew, man. At the same time, man, I post videos pretty frequently. You know what I'm saying, not every day yet, but post them pretty often. So once again, it's your boy MOTORCITY NIQUE. I'm checking out with another video. Till next time, man. Peace.